Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET2650, and now I can show you how to copy documents on this device. So, for example, I have this document and I want to copy it. So to do it, first I need to place it on the scanner. So you need to open the lid and take this paper in this way. So with text on the glass, place it on the scanner and close the lid. And then on the LCD screen you need to find the copy featured and click not the OK, but click. So first you need to click OK, then you need to click color or black and white mode. So for example, I have no color on my paper, and now I wanna copy in black and white. Of course, if you have colored image or colored document, for example, and you wanna copy it in black and white, you can do it. So just choose black and white, and great. And then choose black and white. Of course, you can set it up. But you can use default settings, so choose black and white and click copy. Wait a while. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.